you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a Porsche Taycan Turbo S. We purchased this vehicle with front end collision damage. Vehicle just rolled off the truck. Looks pretty nice. The damage does not appear to be severe. Got some repairable damage on the fender here. Bumper cover even looks like it's salvageable. Hood is good. This fender is good. Both headlights are good. Let's check the inner structure. So right now I don't see any damage to the inner structure. Looks good. The vehicle does run and drive. So far so good. Do a quick walk around. Got a little curb mark on the wheel right here. That could be refinished. Nice panoramic roof. This is an all-electric vehicle. They're super fast. 0 to 60 in a little over 2 seconds. Doors back, it looks pretty clean. Windshield is okay. It's the charging port. This is an excellent builder for somebody looking to buy one of these vehicles. Over 200,000. Check inside. No airbags deployed. Smells like new in here. Powers up, runs, drives. Can't open the back door for some reason, but probably has to do with the key. We'll take a glimpse in the back seat. Really nice. There's another charge port. Let's take a look at the damage again. Bumper support looks good. Aprons are in place. Headlight looks good. Nothing broken. Everything's in there pretty good. It's an excellent builder. Great car. Be on the website soon. Thanks for watching.